Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create schedules for a Roborock S7. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of Roborock app. Inside you can find the schedules, click on them as well. Then there's a plus button again in the top right corner of the screen, and right here you'll be able to change the start time. Then repeat, and here you can choose when this action will be repeated for once, every day, weekdays, weekends, or custom. If you select custom, you'll be able to manually pick whichever days you want for this to repeat. Then there's a cleaning mode, and here you can switch between a vacuum plus mop, or vacuum only. And you can also go and customize it with the edit button, which I shown you previously. And there's also cleaning area that you can switch between full. That means it will clean your entire, for example, house. Or if you pick rooms, you'll be able to select a specific room that you want to clean in that schedule. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.